Reviving classic SEGA Genesis games and need to load an SBG saved game? This contains your progress in a Genesis emulator session. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these SEGA Genesis saved game files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated SBG file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. Gamers using emulators for the SEGA Genesis, Mega Drive, Console Encounter SBG files. These files contain the user's save progress for a specific game, allowing them to resume play later. Users search for this to manage, transfer, or troubleshoot their saved game data between different emulators or computers. An SBG file is a binary data dump that mirrors the contents of the SRAM, static RAM, from an original SEGA Genesis game cartridge. Its structure is a raw, direct copy of the memory region used for saves, making it simple for emulators to load and write without complex parsing, ensuring high compatibility. Guaranteed access to SBG files is typically achieved using SEGA Fusion from Steve Snake. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. Open the menu by right-clicking your SBG file and choosing Open With. Try SEGA Fusion first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If the SBG file is still giving you trouble, relax. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, loading in Genesis emulator. Open your Genesis emulator like SEGA Fusion Gens or RetroArch with Genesis Plus GX Core. Load the original Genesis ROM first, then use the load state function to apply the SBG file. The emulator restores the game state, allowing immediate gameplay continuation from the save point. Next, verifying emulator compatibility. SBG files are emulator specific, so use the same emulator that created the save state. Loading in different emulators typically fails due to incompatible internal formats. Identify the source emulator from documentation or file name context before attempting to load. Mismatch results in load errors or game corruption. Finally, converting save formats. Some emulators provide save state conversion tools or import features for migrating between platforms. Check your target emulator's documentation for compatibility utilities. RetroArch offers some cross-emulator save support through its core system, though full compatibility varies by game and original emulator version. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.